Understanding license plate numbers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a topic that you see almost every day but might not have thought much about: license plate numbers. Whether you're walking down the street, riding in a car, or studying for your driving test, knowing about license plate numbers is surprisingly useful. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind these numbers and letters that we see on every vehicle. A license plate number is a unique combination of letters and numbers attached to vehicles for identification purposes. It's like a vehicle's fingerprint. No two are exactly the same. This number is displayed on a metal or plastic plate, and it must be visible on the front and back of the vehicle. License plates are issued by the vehicle registration authorities in each country or region, ensuring that every vehicle on the road is officially registered and traceable. License plate numbers are not just random characters, they hold specific information. While the format can vary from one country to another, they typically include a combination of the following. Serial numbers. These are unique numbers that help to distinguish one vehicle from another. Letters. Often, letters can represent the region where the vehicle was registered. Special characters. In some regions, license plates may include special characters or symbols that indicate the vehicle type, commercial, personal, diplomatic, etc., or other special statuses. License plate numbers serve several crucial functions. 1. Legal identification. They help authorities identify vehicles for legal processes, such as issuing parking tickets, tracing vehicles involved in crimes, or checking if a vehicle is properly registered. 2. Safety and security. By tracking vehicles, license plates help enhance road safety and security. 3. Ownership records. They assist in maintaining accurate records of vehicle ownership, which is vital during the sale or purchase of a vehicle. Some people collect license plates as a hobby, known as place 8ting. Custom license plates, known as vanity plates, allow owners to create their own unique combination of letters and numbers. The design and color scheme of license plates can change to reflect special events, anniversaries, or regional symbols. And that wraps up our exploration of license plate numbers. We hope this video has shed some light on these everyday symbols that play such an important role in vehicle identification and road safety. Remember, the next time you see a license plate, there's a lot more to it than just numbers and letters. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.